Here is a step-by-step guide to help you on how to roast your vegetables in the air fryer. So in this bowl, I'm using a combination of yellow, green, and red bell peppers. I'm also going to be roasting some broccoli, radish, zucchini, red onions, and carrots. So we are going to start by cutting the bell peppers and then take out the seeds. Cut them into cubes and make sure that all the pieces are cut to approximately the same size. This ensures they are cooked evenly and finished up at the same time. Now move on to the broccoli. Cut those beautiful florets into similar sized pieces too. And then move on to cutting your zucchini. I would like to slice them into rounds and further cut them into half moon. The same thing is done for the radish. So since I'm gonna be including some red onion, I'll also dice them into the same shape. Finally, we have the carrots. Dice them into large cubes, just the way you did to the rest of the veggies. When you're done chopping up all these veggies, bring them into a large mixing bowl. Go ahead and drizzle the veggies with olive oil to help crisp them up while in the air fryer. To add some taste to these roasted vegetables, I'll be seasoning them with smoked paprika, Cajun spice seasoning, black pepper, salt, minced garlic, and a drizzle of lemon juice. Give your veggies a good mix until all these seasonings are well distributed. You may need to roast them in batches if you have a large quantity just like this. Now arrange the vegetables in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Slide the basket into the air fryer and roast your veggies at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Make sure to check on the vegetables halfway through and give them a toast for even browning. Once the vegetables are done cooking, remove them from the air fryer and transfer to a tray. Add the second batch and cook at the same time and temperature. And we now have these colorful air fryer roasted vegetables ready. Just look at how colorful they are and they smell really amazing. What a healthy way to roast your vegetables in the air fryer. And you can serve them alongside your main course. So guys, this was how to make air fryer roasted vegetables in no time. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Hill, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, I would love to see you soon. Have a great time. Bye.